Hey everyone, in this video, let's ask how you can clear your queue for YouTube TV. In order to do so, here we are at tv.youtube.com, and let's ask AI how we can clear our queue. In order to clear the YouTube queue on your TV, you can use your mobile device if you're casting to the TV. Close the player from the mobile app and it will clear the queue. If you're using the YouTube app directly on a Chromecast, you can tap the X located at the far right of the TV queue bar to clear the entire list of selected videos. If you're using the YouTube app with the video queue feature, you can swipe away or close the mini player to clear the queue. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in My Stylus AI, you can gain access to an AI companion for academic document writing. Unlock your writing potential with My Stylus, find relevant sources, effectively manage references, refine with AI editing, and get instant help through AI chat research. Also, if you use promo code SkillcraftAI10, you'll get 10% off your subscription. You'd also be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.